an infix notation to postfix notation for a simple expression where the operators have the same precedence, like plus and minus have the same precedence. It is quite easy. Now let's see what's the procedure. Here's the output of postfix. Whenever there comes an operand, you will write it here. 5 will be written here, and the operator will be pushed into the stack. So we push the operator plus into stack, then 4 here, and plus again on the top of the stack, 3 here, and then minus again on the top of the stack, and then 1 here, and again plus on the top of the stack, and then 2 here. So at the end of this procedure, when this input is scanned all, we will pop the stack, and you know, last in first out is the mechanism in stack, so the last operator will be popped first. We cut it here from here and paste it here, then this minus here, and then the plus here, and then the plus. So this is quite easy and straightforward mechanism to convert the infix to postfix. Now next, the problem is when we see an expression where the operators have different precedence, then we have two different approaches. Like this is a sample input. Here this is a power sign 2 raised to power 2. It has the highest precedence. Then the next is this operator division, which has lower precedence in power but higher precedence in minus operator. So in this scenario, we need to be careful while converting the infix to postfix. One approach is to enclose these operators within parentheses according to their precedence. So first of all, we will evaluate this operation. So we will enclose it within parentheses like this. Then we will enclose this with parentheses, because then we will evaluate division, and finally we'll close the whole expression. So after doing this, what we will do, we will do the same. Whenever there is an operand or number, we will write it here in the output, and whenever there is a symbol, we will push it into the stack. So post stack, then again this, and then division, and then here is another symbol here, then 2 will be here, then another symbol here, and then 2 here, and then another symbol. So whenever there comes another parenthesis, closing parenthesis, we will pop from the stack till the starting parenthesis. So we will pop it this, and we will append it here, and we will pop from the stack this symbol and delete it. Next we have another closing parenthesis, so we will do the same. We will pop the division symbol from here, write it here, and pop another starting parenthesis and delete it. So next we have a minus symbol. We will push it on the top of the stack, and next we have 1. I will write 1 here, and another closing bracket. So it will come here, and now because you have another closing bracket, so what we will do, we will pop the top symbols from the stack and append it at the end of the expression, and pop the starting parenthesis. So this is the output that we have generated from this infix notation. So but what if we do not have these parentheses? So here we have another approach. Let's do this. In this scenario, we will do the same, that whenever there is a number, we will write here, and symbol will go into the stack here to here and a power symbol will go here, and then to here, and then minus will be. So here is that the condition that you cannot push the operator of low precedence on the top of the operator which has higher precedence. Here this minus has lower precedence than this power symbol, so we cannot push this symbol, this operator, on the top of this power symbol, so we cannot write minus here. So what we will do at this time, at this point, we will pop this symbol and append with the expression. So we did this, and next we will try to push the minus symbol on the top of the stack. So again we will have the same scenario. Minus has lower precedence than this division symbol, so what we will do, we will pop this division symbol and append here. And next we will push the minus symbol, as now the stack is empty. So next we have 1, so we will write 1 here, and so here comes the end of the input. So at this point we will empty the stack, so we will pop this minus symbol and append it here. So this is how we can convert the infix to postfix, where the infix has operators of different precedences. That's all. Stay tuned for the next lectures.